Jeep Wrangler, which honestly I probably should have taken. But this is fine. I mean, it'll just get me from point A to point B for 2 weeks until I get another rental car. But right now I'm headed to Ontario so I can pick up some tires from Toyo Tires. They offered me a partial sponsorship for the SEMA build, so let's go get them. I think I got Proxy Sports 2, so we'll see how different they are from the Michelins that I have on the TEs right now, and then we can get started on the build. I made it to the warehouse, but I don't know if I'm doing this right. I have the trunk open. I don't know if they just lower everything and then bring it in. Hopefully they can help me. Good thing I have the big car. Holy crap. Thank God tires are light. I put these all in myself. Had to play Tetris a little bit. I thought they would come down and help, but I guess it doesn't work that way. Good thing I did a little bit of arm workout though. I'm proud of me. We're back at Project Dream, where I dropped my car off about a week prior to this video being filmed. I don't really have a backstory with this shop like I did with Apexi, but I essentially emailed Mark asking if they would be interested in doing the wide body build with me. I found their shop through Spam Subi's YouTube videos when he was doing his 86 wide body build, and I liked how things were done and explained while they worked. I also chose them because of their name, Project Dream, Dreamalies. It was just meant to be. Fun fact, I had no backup plan had they declined working on the build with me. Before I came in this day, Teddy had already test fitted all of the pieces onto the car. There were slight imperfections that probably just need to be sanded down or fixed, but essentially the cool kit fits extremely well. This front passenger fender is a complete replacement and is the only piece that's slightly off, as Mark will explain in a little bit. I'm not sure if it's gonna bother me just yet, but honestly, it might.
That there's more gap here, despite the front. Most of these front are about the same gap already. So this side is a little bit better. You can see here. So it's physically the body kit itself.
So good news. Shay let me know that Cool gave the okay to cut up the rear diffuser. I'm so glad that they did because I was not willing to give up the Apexi exhaust.
That should be the exact position.
Wow.
And then this was part even like
Yeah, it actually looks pretty sick.
you want me to like air it out?
Sure.
Prius.
4 clusters. Yeah, air it out. Imagine this is the Prius
Stay tuned for the next video so I can show you what they look like. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.